Hey everybody, this is Chris here. I'm just calling to give everyone an update on this project. Everyone knows I've been working on my house because I've taken 2 vacations, but pretty much haven't done anything other than this on every weekend since February, pretty much. So this siding, I just got on back order, put it up the other day. It's like about a month out. So I repainted and I took off all these storm windows and spray painted them like Rust-Oleum bronze, and then I refinished all of the shutters. The windows where it was cracking got reglazed, so I reglazed them. It was a several week process, very difficult, time consuming, and it takes like a week for it to dry. Then the original thing that started all this was the garage project. Now 2 weekends, my father came to help me with this fascia, because this fascia here was, and that's the part where the gutter would go on, was rotted out due to some poor roofing. So we had to tear it all off. Then he helped me frame this out. So this is an automatic garage door opener. Everything brand new, insulated garage door. Then I built myself a tool bench in here. Put new power outlets in. And I put this whole wall in. Security camera alerts me whenever there's stuff going on my phone. Light switch. And it's got a motion sensing light up here. And then shout out to the Pops. Now mind you, in South Carolina, you're able to work on electrical yourself as long as it's your home and you live in it for 2 years. So this is all permitted. But my father helped me put in a new electrical panel. So that was a lot of fun. But now I have plenty of space to add on. Then around back, put siding all up and down through here. This pathway I did last year. And then this porch, I put siding on it. The porch, when I bought the house, just had plywood, and now it has siding. And I didn't just do the front, I did all the windows, even in the guest rooms. So yeah.